Welcome to Sunnyside, a beautiful town by the sea.
What a nice day. We are late. Listen. The truck.
Hello, kids! 10 minutes only today.
Me first! I want it now!
Slow down, Max. We must wait.
Magic is ready.
I am first in line. It is nice to wait. Oh no, you are first. Why am I second? Because you ran too fast. Great. Now I am between first and third.
Good things take time, Max. Just wait for your turn.
2 minutes are gone. 2 whole minutes. Patience is a magic word, Max. It feels like a hard word.
First cone is ready. Who wants it?
Me! Please be me. 1 minute has passed. See? It is easy. Easy for you. My legs are shaking.
1 scoop, 2 scoops. Making it perfect.
Is it hot out here, or is it just me? It is just you, Max. Calm down.
3 minutes are gone. Time is running out.
Tick, tock, tick, tock. Go faster, clock. Look at my little teddy bear. Wow, he is so soft.
Who cares about a bear right now? That is it. I am moving up. No more waiting.
Max, stop. Stay in your spot. Sorry, Leo. I cannot wait anymore. Max, no! Get back in line. Hey, do not cut in line. That is rude.
I am just moving a little bit. Max, please. Patience is the rule here.
Almost there. I can see the magic ice cream.
4 minutes are gone. Max is out of time.
I am first now. Give it to me.
Max, that is my turn. Stop right there, young man.
Give it to me, please. I want it now.
Wait, Max. It is not ready yet.
I got it. Mine!
Oh no. Watch out, Max.
Oh dear. Look out!
Splash. The colorful magic is gone.
My ice cream. It is broken.
Patience is hard, but it saves the magic, Max.
We can fix this together. I ruined it. I am so sorry. Hey, do not cry, Max. It is okay. But I lost the magic cream.
Do not worry, Max. Accidents happen when we rush.
Look, we can share my ice cream. Really? you would share with me? Wow. It tastes like strawberries and magic.
That is the taste of patience.
Good job, Leo. Now, let us teach Max how to wait.
Teach me? Okay, I am listening.
How do you do it, Leo? How do you wait? It is a secret game. I will show you.
Step 1. Smell the sweet ice cream. Breathe in deep. Like this? Sniff. Sniff. Mmm, strawberries. Step 2. Blow the hot soup. Breathe out slowly. Whew! Blow all the hot bubbles away! Wow, my heart feels slow and happy now. That is the magic of patience, Max. I am ready, Leo. I will go to the back of the line.
Awesome! You can do it, Max!
Look at me, Leo. I am walking to the back. You are doing great, Max. Keep going. Hello, friends. I am going to the end. I am here. I am the last one.
Great job. High five.
Smell the ice cream. Blow the hot soup. Perfect. You are a master now.
6 minutes are gone. Max is waiting peacefully now.
Look, Leo. The line is moving. We are moving too.
Yes. Patience makes everything smooth.
Almost your turn, Max. Thank you for waiting so well.
I am ready, Barney. No rush at all.
Welcome back, Max. It is your turn now.
Thank you, Barney. I am ready to wait.
4 giant scoops of rainbow magic. Just for you.
Wow. Oh, it is beautiful. I can wait for you to pass it.
Here you go, brave boy. Safe and sound.
I did it, Leo. Look. It did not fall. Hooray! You did it, Max. You were so patient.
Enjoy your magic ice cream, boys. Have fun.
Thank you, Barney. Goodbye.
This bench is perfect, Leo.
Yes. Now we can eat.
Mmm. The purple scoop is like sweet grapes.
Try my strawberry flavor. And you try my blueberry.
Patience is not hard anymore. It is amazing.
We are the patience team, best friends forever.
And so, patience brought sweet magic to Sunnyside.
That was the best magic ice cream ever.
Because we waited for it, Max. Look at the ocean. It is so calm today. Just like us, Leo. Calm and happy.
Remember, kids, patience makes everything smooth. See you next time. Bye-bye.